Hey, what's up, everybody? I know it's been a while. I've kind of just been uninspired hair-wise for a while, and just busy with work. But I wanted to come to you to show you what my hair has been doing for the last, I think this week might make it a month. I've actually lost track how long I've had these in. These are crochet braids, but I did individual crochet braids. So I just redid this one. This is how long the actual crochet braid is. I kind of wanted to go shorter. I was kind of going for a bob, but as you can see, this is how long my hair is. So if I went any shorter, you know, we would kind of be pushing it a little bit. My hair might have been sticking out of the end. So I'm going to show you basically how I put the crochets on. Basically I'm redoing mine because I washed my hair and they started to slip a little bit. So I'm not redoing all of them. I'm just redoing probably the perimeter ones and the ones in the parts in the middle. Because I've got a middle part. I got a side part going on. I got a couple of side parts going on too. I made it that way so I could have side parts. But I kind of just like the middle one to look cleaned up more so I can have a middle part. So how I'm doing this, I can't find it because this is the one I just took down, and I just took it down, combed through all the dirt out of it, and then rebraided it. When I first did them, I did put some edge control on it to make it less fuzzy, but I just don't feel like doing that today. So I just put some, olive oil on it, or as olive oil, and I put some this Africa's Best hair oil on it because my hair's been feeling really dry, and I just rebraided it. I have the braid like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick this crochet needle into the base of this braid, right through the center. I have it sticking out. Hopefully it stays there. I'm gonna use my ear to prop that up. And then I grab the hair like so. Try to find the loop. The loop is kind of a little bit messed up because this is an old one, so I'll be doing it again. So it kind of got flipped inside out, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna attach it to the crochet hook and then bring it through the base of my hair. And there's 1,000 videos on this online on YouTube, but I'm just doing one for myself. So, and I got caught. So then I bring it through. Bring it through so it's through my hair. I grab the braid that's my hair and the crochet braid, and I'm gonna put more of the crochet braid through. So I'm gonna grab it kind of towards the ends and then hook it again onto the crochet latch, and then try to pull it through. And pull it through, and just keep pulling on my hair and the crochet braid hair to just kind of get it all the way in there. And it could be tighter, but what you gonna do? I actually did the front ones too tight where they started taking out my edges, so you don't want to do it too tight either. I have to always leave this edge hanging out now, because yeah. So all I did to get the braid in there is, so this is the braid, this is my hair. I put the crochet needle through, and then I just basically crocheted my hair into the braid back and forth, going down. And don't make big spaces, because then you can definitely see your braid. It'll also start to make the crochet braid buckle. You'll see it buckling, and it'll start to look like it's turning into a xylophone or something. I don't know, it just starts to mess it up and make it buckle. So you kind of got to make your spaces smaller, crocheting it back and forth until you just basically run out of hair. And that's what I did, because I didn't feel like putting in individual braids on my own because that was going to take forever. This took 2 days, but it could have gone quicker. I kind of was being lazy. I took a lot of breaks. I ate a lot, I watched 13 Reasons Why season 2, and you know, there's a lot of things happening. I'll be like braiding my hair and be like, no. Also watch Jane the Virgin. Jane the Virgin, I watched that last episode, and spoiler alert, if you watched it when Michael walked in, when she came in the room and Michael was there, I almost threw my phone at the wall. Like, what shut the front door? So I watched basically the latest season of Jane the Virgin and season 2 of 13 Reasons Why. I know I'm very late with Jane the Virgin, and I understand why people are on Facebook screaming now. I can't wait for the next season of Jane the Virgin. That was like an amazing show. That is the most unique show, the most authentic show that's out there today, if you ask me. But yeah, I did a lot of breaks. I took a lot of breaks to eat. I took breaks to go pick my husband up and take him to work, because I had like 2 days off from work, and I spent doing that. I think I did a lot of breaks. Like, what did I do? Oh, I cooked dinner. So I took a break to cook dinner. I took a break to do laundry. I took a break to vacuum. So honestly, I really wasn't consistently doing this. So I probably could have did it in one day and probably like half a day, really. But I basically was being really OCD. Well, not even OCD. I was just being ADHD. I was being a little bit of both. I was being OCD about the cleanliness of my house and everything like that, and then I was being ADHD because I couldn't like focus on the task at hand. So, you know. Oh, and I forgot back then I had a cat, and he kept trying to attack my hair. So that also was making me stop. How you take them out, just real quick update. So you see, I just pulled my braid out. And you can also do it with a rat tail comb. So that's another easy way to get it, especially if it's like a small end, like you're just trying to pull that little end out. It'll probably be better to get it with a rat tail comb than with your nails, because nails are like, you know, jagged and they can cause your ends to split. So that probably be better. Once I'm done with this style, I am going to go back to Rachel O, because I haven't been back to her since she styled my hair and dyed my hair, and I need a definite touch up getting it dyed, because if you don't dye your hair, if you don't keep up with your hair dye, it'll break off, kind of like a perm. It'll break off. And also I need my ends clipped desperately. I've been trying to go back to her, but every time I want to go back, like I wanted to go back for Christmas and get my hair pressed and get my ends stripped and get my hair dyed, but I was too busy with work. Then I decided I wanted to do it for my birthday, but I had 2 days and I only had a certain amount of money. So I was like, I basically put this in because I only had like $30, I think. And last time I went to Rachel, she colored my hair, she clipped my ends, she gave me a steam treatment, and she twisted my hair into a style, and I think that came out to about $200. And I'm not used to that. That's kind of one of the reasons why I'm doing my own hair, because I just paid $30 for these crochet braids for like, I think I bought 6 packs and I didn't even use all 6. I got like a pack and a half left. So I bought 6 packs, I have a pack and a half left, but I spent $30 on 6 packs of braids. And, you know, I did it myself. I didn't pay anybody else to do it. It just was 2 days of me being off work doing it, as opposed to I wanted to get my hair pressed. I wanted to get my hair dyed. I think it was like $70 or something like that to get it dyed. And pressed, I think, might be another $100. I wanted my ends clipped, so that's probably like another $25. And I probably needed another steam treatment or something like that. It was gonna be a lot. But I want my hair to be healthy. So I guess you have to pay the price to have your hair healthy. So I want to go back to Rachel O and have her take care of my hair and make my hair healthy again, because I'm pretty sure it's probably in a bad state. So I haven't had my ends clipped since the last time I saw her. It was like October or November. So I need to get my ends clipped. I need to get my hair re-dyed, and she's probably gonna fuss at me about how I haven't been taking care of my hair. My sister's been over there, but I haven't been over there, and I'm kind of just like, I'm gonna get fussed at. But every time I want to go over there, I always have to work, so I just gotta figure out a day. I gotta save up some money and then find a day, like I had the 2 days off, and just be like, dang, I'm getting my hair done. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. So you can see, you could just take them right out. It's a little bit harder once you get closer to the top to take them right out. So I'm probably going to do that off camera. But yeah, this is how it is. You just crochet it in. I'm going to take this one out again because it's a little too loose. And it also is hurting my edges again. And I don't want that. I don't want to make it too tight where it pulls out my edges. But I don't want it to be too loose where it looks funny. So I'm just going to try to find a happy medium with that. But yeah, that's what my hair is doing. Crochet braids. Like, I think it's 12 inches or 14 inches. I forgot. I have to get the bag. But I'll put the inches and that type of hair in the description. But hey, thank you for being patient with me, you know, disappearing and coming back. If you're still here, thanks.